25,600 micro-LEDs per headlight, technology straight from Audi flagships, now fitted to their cheapest SUV, starting at €44,600. The 2026 Audi Q3 just went from forgettable to the car every rival needs to worry about. But that is not even the best part. The design transformation is impossible to ignore. This third generation borrows heavily from the Q5 and Q6 e-tron, but it has developed its own muscular identity with wider proportions and curved fenders that fill the wheel arches properly for the first time. Those illuminated four rings at the front are a first for Audi's entire compact segment, a detail that was previously reserved for models costing significantly more. The single-frame grille sits higher and wider, flanked by sleek split headlights that give the Q3 a focused, almost aggressive stare. The cabin is where Audi threw down the gauntlet against every compact luxury SUV on the market. The digital stage layout pairs an 11.9-inch driver display with a 12.8-inch center touchscreen, the largest screen combination ever fitted to a Q3 and bigger than what either BMW or Mercedes offer as standard in this segment. The system runs Android Automotive OS, meaning third-party apps like YouTube work natively without needing your phone at all. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, alongside an AI-enhanced Audi assistant that appears as an animated avatar on screen. Build quality has taken a massive leap forward. The new soft wrap design extends from the doors across the entire dashboard, creating a premium feel that genuinely rivals the Q5 sitting above it in the lineup. Acoustic glass at the front eliminates road noise, and the ambient lighting offers 30 color options with laser-cut illuminated door panels. Over 300 precision cuts per door, creating dynamic light patterns at night. But here's the thing that might actually make you choose this over the X1 or the GLA, and it has nothing to do with what is inside. Rear passengers get sliding and reclining seats as standard for the first time. The trunk holds 488 liters behind the seats, growing to 575 with the bench slid forward, and a massive 1,386 liters with the 40-20-40 split seats folded flat. Towing capacity hits 2,100 kilograms, serious hauling ability for this class. The powertrain lineup starts with a 1.5-liter mild hybrid producing 150 horsepower, but the headline act is the plug-in hybrid. 268 combined horsepower, 119 kilometers of electric-only range on the WLTP cycle, and 50 kilowatt DC fast charging that gets you from 10 to 80% in under 30 minutes. Real-world usable electric range paired with a new 7-speed dual-clutch transmission that shifts faster than anything in the segment. At €44,600, this Q3 delivers illuminated rings, micro-LED headlights, the biggest screens in its class, and a cabin that embarrasses cars costing $15,000 more. The BMW X1 and Mercedes GLA suddenly have a serious problem on their hands. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.